Hey YouTube, Robert here. Just wanted to share this new Victorinox knife I got. Here is the part number. So this is the Victorinox Pioneer Alox in black, and the site said it's a Ranger Pioneer. I don't know what the difference is, but it's the 93 millimeter. So there it is. Beautiful blade. This is my first Alox knife from Victorinox. I love how tight the knife, this is how you can tell how well the slip joint knife is made, is by how tight these spacers are back here, or tensioners. I guess they're actually torsion bars. But like any slip joint pocket knife, if there's gaps, and I mean, you can tell how well they're made. And it feels, I mean, like I said, this is my first Alox and it feels amazing. I think this is going to be my first of many. So I'll just run through what you get in a Pioneer. This is, like I said, 93 millimeters. You're going to make smaller ones. So you get the all reamer. Alright, and then you get your main blade, which always comes sharp. Nice quality stainless on Victorinox's. So we'll close that, and we'll open these. So then you get a bottle opener, or a can opener, bottle opener, small screwdriver, large screwdriver, your blade, and see if I can do this without slicing my fingers. And the awl. So that's what you get. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you. I've always loved Victorinox knives, wingers, but Victorinox especially. But I've never had an Alox. I've always been interested. Actually, the Fort Worth Block guy did a video, and that kind of is what pushed me to get one. I might try different colors. I just think they're really cool, and they just feel, I don't know, Victorinox, especially these, just feel like quality, you know, in your hand. So anyway, just wanted to share that with everyone, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and we will see ya.